Hey everyone, welcome back to Peak Agro Seeds. If you've ever thrown down grass seed and ended up with a patchy, weed-choked mess instead of a lawn, this video is for you. Today I'm walking you through our proven, start-to-finish method for building a thick, healthy lawn from bare soil, and I'm sharing the mistakes we see beginners make over and over so you can skip straight to the good results. Let's get into it. Part 1. Getting your ground ready. Before a single seed goes down, your soil needs to be in the right condition. Skip this and everything after it fights an uphill battle. Clear the site. Pull out rocks, sticks, old roots, and any leftover sod or debris. A clean surface means seed-to-soil contact later, which is the #1 factor in germination success. Check your soil health. This is the step most people skip, and it's the one that quietly ruins the most lawns. Grab an inexpensive soil test kit or send a sample to your local extension office and check your pH and nutrient levels. Grass generally wants a slightly acidic to neutral pH. If your soil is too acidic, lime can bring it back into range. Guessing here instead of testing is how people end up feeding a lawn nutrients it never needed or missing the ones it did. Break up compacted soil. If your yard has heavy clay or compacted ground, common on newer builds where topsoil gets stripped during construction, till it thoroughly. Compacted soil blocks root growth before it even starts. Part 2. Building better soil. Once the ground is loosened, don't just seed straight onto poor quality dirt. Add a topsoil layer. Spreading a few inches of quality topsoil over the area does two things. It improves the growing medium your grass roots will live in, and it lets you grade and level the yard so you don't end up with dips that pool water later. Rake it level. Take your time here. A flat, even seedbed now saves you from mowing headaches for years. Part 3. Putting seed in the ground. Choose the right spreader setting. Use a broadcast or drop spreader and set it to the seeding rate listed on your specific seed bag. Every grass variety and blend is calibrated differently, so don't eyeball it. Go in 2 directions. For even coverage, spread half your seed walking north-south, then the other half walking east-west. This cuts down on streaky, uneven patches. Lightly rake it in. After spreading, a light rake pass helps tuck seed into the top layer of soil, protecting it from birds, wind, and drying out too fast, without burying it too deep to sprout. Part 4. The critical first few weeks. This is where most lawns are won or lost. Water little and often. Until germination, the top layer of soil needs to stay consistently moist. Not soaked, not dry. That usually means light watering sessions at least twice a day, adjusted for your climate and sun exposure. Watch for thin spots. It's completely normal for a first seeding to come in uneven. If you spot bare or sparse patches once grass starts showing, overseed those areas directly. Extra seed on top of the thin spots, rather than waiting and hoping it fills in on its own. Part 5. What we wish we knew sooner. A few hard-earned lessons from our own lawns, so you don't have to learn them the expensive way. Test first, guess never. A cheap soil test before you plant tells you exactly what your soil is missing: lime, nitrogen, phosphorus, instead of you throwing amendments at it blindly after the fact. Have a weed plan before day 1. New grass has zero defense against aggressive weeds. If you don't have a pre-emergent or weed management strategy lined up in advance, weeds will move in fast and choke out your new seedlings before they get established. Timing beats effort. You can do every single step perfectly and still fail if you plant in the wrong season. Seeding during peak summer heat almost always ends in dried out, dead seed. Match your planting window to your grass type's ideal germination temperature. Cool season grasses do best in early fall or spring, warm season grasses in late spring through early summer. That's our complete process for growing a lawn from seed the right way. If this helped you out, drop a comment and let us know what grass type you're working with, and hit subscribe here at Peak Agro Seeds for more no-nonsense lawn and seed guides. See you in the next one.